Hello everyone. So let's talk about our next problem. So in this problem, you are doing endoscopy for a patient with a bleeding ulcer. Okay. Now, while doing the endoscopy, you are able to see there is a spotting artery, right? So there is a spotting artery is there. This one. So this one is a spotting artery. Now, what classification will tell you about the risk of rebleeding as a guide or the immediate treatment in such cases, right? So here the classification system that is basically going to help you, that is your forest classification. So in the forest classification we can divide it into three subdivision of the three type, that is a type 1, type 2 and type 3. Now here the type 1 is basically known as the active bleeding. Okay, active bleeding status. Now the type 2, that is there is a recent or there is evidence of the recent bleeding from the site. So that is a type 2, and the type 3 is that there is a no bleeding. Okay, no bleeding. So according to that we basically align these cases for the further management. Now your forest classification or the forest type 1, that is again subdivided into A and B. So your A is basically the spotting artery, B is basically the oozing bleeding. Okay, so when you are able to see there is a spotting from the arterial site, that is your forest classification 1A. If there is a oozing, then it is your forest 1B. So you can also able to see that in the image as well. Okay, so you can able to appreciate that there is a arterial spotting in this image, right? So there is a arterial spotting in this image. So this one belongs to the forest 1A type. Then there is a oozing. So you can easily able to understand. So this is basically a venous blood, right? Venous blood. So there is a oozing from the ulcer base. Ulcer base, that is your forest 1B type. Then there is a forest 2A and 2B subsequently. So your forest 2A, there is a visible vessels from where the bleeding happened, right? So this is your forest 2A, and then there is a, so this one is the adherent clot, and then there is a forest type 2C is also there, that is the black spot, that is basically suggestive of the black spot. So here is the black spot, here is the another black spot, and then there is a clean ulcer base, this one, that is belongs to the forest classification of 3. Now the subsequent management, like if there is a active bleeding, in that case either you need to clip the artery or the clip the source. Now in case of the arterial spotting, you can easily able to identify the source and you can clip that. But in case oozing nature of the bleeding, in that case you have to go for the adrenaline injection in that case. So your adrenaline injection would be suitable in that case. Then there is a forest classification 2A and 2B, that is your endoscopic therapy is basically preferred in that case, and in case of forest 3 there is a no endoscopic treatment is basically required. Okay, thank you.